Attorney, bakit ako hinahabol ng lending company kung co-maker lang ako? Hi guys, this is Attorney Eman and papag-usapan natin yung differences ng surety and guarantor. Because the fact na co-maker ka, ibig sabihin, pumirma ka sa kontrata to be held liable for the liability or obligation of another individual. May dalawang parte yan. A surety and a guarantor. So yung mga surety, ito yung mga tao na ini-insure yung debt. Ibig sabihin nun, ikaw mismo as a surety, ini-insure mo na babayaran mo yun. Ini-insure mo yung obligation na mababayaran dun sa creditor. So kahit na may pambayad yung co-maker mo, yung totoong tao na may liability, pwede ka pa rin maging liable. Compared naman sa guarantor, meron tayong tinatawag na benefit of excusation. Ang benefit of excussion is ma-prove na si unang liable, yung mismong debtor itself, ay wala ng pera para makapagbayad sa utang niya. Pero kung wala tayong ebidensya doon, hindi pa rin magiging liable yung guarantor with respect to the loan obligation. So, ano yung pinaka-main difference nila? Surety, immediately liable. Guarantor, may condition na yung unang debtor or yung pinaka-debtor, wala ng capability to pay the loan obligation. Okay guys, so alam nyo na yung surety and guarantor ha.